I knew that the dog did not belong to the group of people. I just knew. My name is Pamela Whelden, and I work for TriMet. I'm a field outreach and community relations representative. The very next day is the first time that I saw the dog. As soon as I saw him with the dog, I thought, that is the dog that is on the flyer. When I saw him again, I was elated because I just had that deep gut feeling that that was the same dog. And it was. I started crying. She was pretty emotional, but she said she was coming into town like immediately. She said, I got to get back to my house and get my car, and I'm heading to Portland. I was so elated. It just filled my heart. It's even hard to explain, but it felt really good.